Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. If you're feeling stressed, depressed, uneasy, restless, concerned, worried, insecure, angry, lonely, tired, hungry, perhaps even joyful, know that you're not alone. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life, to be able to say yes to this moment, unlike any other moment thus far, absolutely unique in all of its pain and ugliness. See if we can come back to beauty, back to love. Love for ourselves, love for the unfolding of life. Getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture, extending the spine, dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your face, the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Allowing your eyes to gently close, bringing the attention inwards, recognizing how you feel. Witnessing and welcoming any emotions, tensions, negativity. All is welcome. Not pushing anything away. Relaxing the belly, relaxing your hands and feet, relaxing your mind, relaxing the heart. all negativity leave the mind, leave the body. Beginning to open the heart, open your mind to the blessings that are already here, to the support that is already here. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, letting go of all the air. Just be empty. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing your belly, relaxing the face, bringing a smile. Feeling your belly, chest, and head smiling. Melting away any tensions, anger, frustration. Coming back into love. Coming back into trust and the unfolding of life. Trusting an intelligence that is greater than our own. Moving through the challenges we face. You know, challenges are just blessings in disguise. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking a deep breath in, hold, and exhale, releasing all stress, releasing the pain, letting go of pain. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Letting go of thoughts, coming back into this present moment, coming back into your body. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. The color for today is black. The number is 1000. And the animal is a rhinoceros. relaxing your face, relaxing the belly, feeling your chest relax, back relax, feeling your legs and feet relax, feeling your mind relax. As you look in with all your attention just for a few seconds, bring all your attention to look inwards. Feeling the gift of this moment, feeling the gift of who you are, appreciating even your flaws, even your shortcomings, the failures that you've been feeling recently, recognizing it as just part of the process towards more success, more joyfulness, more gratitude. Grateful that you would join me today across time and space. So happy to have you here. Wishing you a beautiful day, wishing you a beautiful life, wishing you more beauty, more delight in the little things. If you're looking for extra support and want to talk one-on-one, feel free to reach out. Very happy to connect with people and facilitate conversations around mental and emotional well-being. Taking one deep breath for now. Holding the breath at the top. Exhale, let go. Thank you for being here. I send you a big hug across time and space. Don't be shy to reach out if you need more support. Seriously, I love talking with people. Talk with people all around the world and cherish those phone calls, those video calls. To do some remote work together would be a great blessing in my life, and want to extend that offer to you. Just feeling that intuitively today, to extend that offer to you. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.